My mother died and of course she had to go sa mortuary. May kasabay din pala kaming baby na namatay huhu. Nasa loob na ng mortuary yung baby patient. We asked the staff to give us time to bid our goodbyes muna kay mama, and if pwede mamaya na siya ipasok sa loob, we want to stay with our mother for a few minutes outside that room kasi we still can't accept what happened to her. So since we're outside, the guard and staff closed that room and turned off the lights inside the mortuary. So basically, walang tao dun sa room. But bro, few minutes later, there were loud knocks from inside that room. Edi tumawag kami ng staff to open the door sa mortuary kasi baka may ibang staff na naiwan. Inopen yung room, wala namang tao aside from the dead baby inside. Umalis ulit yung staff and locked the room. Naulit yung malakas na katok, tapos bumukas yung ilaw inside. May kumalabog, parang may nahulog na nagamit, may nagwawala na sa loob ng mortuary beshi ko. Kapag may staff na dadating, biglang tatahimik,